皆さんこんにちは。Today I will show you how to change from Hiragana to a ABC alphabet on Apple computer. There's a way to do the shortcut. You see the control key? Control. As you press space key. And what you see is Japanese or ABC. This is how I change. As you press the command key, click, 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 click. When I want to type Japanese, keep it this way and I, U, E, O. When it's okay, return, set the return key, and that's gonna be Hiragana. Let's do A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. So again, as you press the command key, press space key, and then what do you see? Command click, 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 and you see this click, 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 and keep it alphabet A, B, C. So you can do A, B, C, D, E. Again, I want Hiragana. As you press the control key, click, 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 and what you see is this. So keep it Hiragana, and let's do ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. And then I press return key. That's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.